Today's video is going to be about the different planets in our solar system. We are not going to include any dwarf planets or any moons of all the planets excluding the Sun. The first planet that we are going to talk about is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but it is not the hottest planet. It is very small, but it is a planet. The second planet that we are going to talk about is Venus. Venus is by far the hottest planet in our solar system. Its temperatures rise up to very high. So even when the satellites or other machines land on Venus, they are made up of heat resistant materials because it is too hot. Venus's atmosphere is mainly made up of carbon dioxide, so it is a great expert at catching the heat from the sun and does not reflect back, so it is very hot. The third planet is Earth. According to scientists, Earth is the only inhabitable planet that has all necessary items for sustainable life, that are water, sunlight and land, including oxygen. But only Earth is able to maintain life. We all know about our Earth. Our Earth has only one moon. But we have to know that it is a very unique planet and we have to respect its all natural resources. And the fourth planet that we are going to be talking about is Mars. It is the closest relative of Earth, and it could be a mirror image of Earth because millions of years ago scientists tell that Mars was inhabitable. It became inhabitable, but due to very unique. It is not the hottest planet, but it is the fourth. All these four planets that I mentioned have land in them. But the next four planets that I'm going to mention in the further of this video do not have land in them. That's why they're known as gas giants. The fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system. As the name suggests, it is a gas giant, so it does not have any solid surface, only a core and gas surrounding it. Jupiter has many moons, but it is always accompanied by typhoons that last for weeks. The sixth planet that we are talking about is Saturn. Saturn is second largest planet in our solar system. It has rings in it. The rings, each planet has rings, but Saturn's rings are made up of mainly rocks and ice. Even Saturn is accompanied by dust storms that last for months. But the seventh planet in our solar system is Uranus. It is a gas giant and it is also the cold planet. It is mostly made up of ice and only a part of it is made up of water. It is very cold but not the coldest planet in our solar system. The eighth planet in our solar system is Neptune. As the name suggests, it is farthest planet, so it should be the coldest planet, and yet it is the coldest planet in our solar system. It is completely made up of ice and no water exists on it. So scientists believe that there can be no life existing on Neptune. As in the beginning of the video I told that I'll be only mentioning 8 planets in our solar system, but let me just include this fun fact. Sun is very hot. Our sun is in the red giant stage. Before it was in other stages, but now it has come to red giant. Some say that if the sun keeps growing, it will become so big that it will eat all the planets and we will meet our doom. But don't worry, it is many billion years far. So we should not waste our time and use it to make good and nice decisions that will help our planet. Bye, and meet you in the next video of Tiny Teacher.